My name is Dylan and I'll be your interviewer today.
My name is Joe Turner and I'm the Bridge Lead, BG&E New South Wales.
What type of projects do you work on and where?
I work on a range of projects, from road bridges to rail bridges in other countries around the world. Not just bridges but also tunnels as well. Mostly in New South Wales, but have worked on projects in Western Australia, Melbourne, and even in Bahrain in the Middle East, on the other side of the planet.
What is the best project you've ever worked on?
I think the best project I've ever worked on would be the recent Sydney Gateway project in Sydney, which is just next to the airport. We've just finished design and we're about to start building the bridges. They're going to be some very cool looking bridges right out the front of the airport, so when you fly in and out of Sydney, you'll fly over my bridge. Have you seen those bridges on the internet that wobble and sway in the wind and in the rain?
Yeah.
Do you think you'd be brave enough to walk across one of those?
No.
Me neither. Do they look a bit scary?
Yeah.
Do you know that they're safe though? Even though they're moving around, they're actually designed to do that. Would you still not walk across?
Yeah.
Okay. You would?
No, I would still not.
Okay. What's the most famous bridge you know of?
The only bridge I know is like the Sydney Harbour Bridge. Is it true that the Sydney Harbour Bridge can go up and down by 18 centimetres because the steel expands and contracts in the sun?
Yes, it does. About that much. Up and down every day. From a very cold day, it's about that much shorter, and to a very hot day, it's that much taller.
When you were my age, did you play games where you made bridges?
Yeah, I did. We played in Dad's shed and built cool things and billy carts and cubby houses and flying foxes. It was a lot of fun.
Did any of them fall over?
Most of them fell over. I wasn't very good at it back then.
What makes a bridge so strong?
I'd put it down to two things. Materials, whether it's steel or timber or concrete, and also making it the right shape. That's mostly the part that engineers do, selecting the right materials and making it the right shape. That's what makes it strong. If you were an engineer, what kind of projects would you like to work on? Do you like bridges, or do you like buildings or roads or tunnels?
I think I like bridges and tunnels.
Good man.
Where is the longest suspension bridge in the world?
The longest suspension bridge in the world is in Turkey. It's called the 1915 Kankakul Bridge. It's over 2 kilometres long between the towers.
Did you study a lot to be a bridge engineer?
I did. I worked hard at school. I probably should have worked harder, but I worked hard at school and then went to university. And yeah, I did. I studied a lot.
Does that mean I have to do a lot of homework to be an engineer?
Yes, it does. But you should do your homework anyway.